Okay, awesome, boys and girls. This is our new story. It says, how is the weather today? So living in Hawaii, some of you might be like, what is this weather changes that we're talking about? Because I only see rain and the sun. So yes, we are very blessed where our weather is pretty much the same, right? Tropical. Now, in some other places, it's not the same, like maybe Vegas or California or Texas, maybe in places that you've lived in before. So let's see if we can kind of think of some places maybe that we've seen in the movies. If we haven't seen it ourselves, then maybe the movies will help us. Okay, so the book is called How is the Weather Today? How is the Weather Today? Written by Cheryl Ryan, so that is the author who wrote the story. Illustrated by Darcy Tom. That is who drew the pictures. Every day I watch the weatherman on TV. Knowing about the weather is important to me. Think of a reason why would it be important to know what the weather is like. Let's say that you want to go to the beach, but the weatherman says it's going to be cloudy and rainy all day. Is it a good idea to go to the beach? Probably not, right? You probably are going to be really cold in the water. But if the weatherman says it's going to be nice and sunny, is it a good beach day? Yep, I think so. I want to know if the wind will blow. I want to know if it will rain. I want to know if it will snow. In some places it actually does snow. Can you think of a place that has snow? Like maybe in the movie Frozen, if you haven't ever seen snow before, like in the movie Frozen, there was a lot of snow there. So snow, picture it like raindrops, but that it gets so cold that it becomes like little ice. In the spring, how is the weather today? The weatherman says it will be warm with showers. I will wear my raincoat. I will go fishing with Dad. So we kind of have a little bit of a spring coming up, right? Summer. We're so familiar with summer weather. How is the weather today? The weatherman says it will be stormy. I will play in the house. Does that match? Stormy weather with summer? No. What would it be like if it was summer? Sunny and hot. Very good. How is the weather today? The weatherman says it will be hot. I will go to the beach. That's a good idea. Beach day. Fall. How is the weather today? The weatherman says it will be cool and windy. See, we don't have fall here in Hawaii. But what that is the leaves. One of the big signals of fall is that the leaves fall from the trees and that they're different colors. So you have the nice orange, the browns, the reds. Here, it does get windy, but not enough to call it a fall season. In the fall, it's a good idea to wear a jacket. So it says, I will wear my jacket. I will fly my kite. Good kite weather. Winter. How is the weather today? The weatherman says it will be cold and icy. I will wear my hat and my coat. How is the weather today? The weatherman says it will snow. I will make a snowman. The weather changes with the seasons. I like changing weather. I can wear different clothes. I can do different things. The end. Can you name all the seasons that we just talked about? How the weather changed in between? Let's go back and look. What are some of the seasons? Winter. Very good. That's one season. Fall. Awesome. Summer. Good job. Spring. So how many seasons are there? If you said 4, you are correct. Awesome job. Have fun with the story.